Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be another edition in my top 5 series. So for this video, I thought it would be good to do my top 5 high-end must-have products. That's what I'm trying to say. So I just picked 5 of the products that I think are must-haves in the high-end section. So if you're at Ulta, you walk in, usually the drugstore is on the left and the high-end's on the right. So these are the products that you need to have that are on the right side of Ulta. These are products that prove to just be amazing for me, and obviously the drugstore has so many great products and you can probably dupe some of these at the drugstore, but I tend to keep buying the high-end version of these or keep using the high-end version of the product. And some people just don't like drugstore makeup for whatever reason, so I wanted to do this video for you guys. If you want to see me do a drugstore version, make sure you thumbs up this video and comment down below, and I can always do that for you. So before we get into this video, just make sure you click that subscribe button. Also make sure you click the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can become a part of the hashtag notification gang. I like to shout out people who are a part of my hashtag notification gang. So if you click the little bell, make sure you comment hashtag notification gang down below in the comment section. Today's notification gang shout out goes to Camillia. I hope I'm saying that right. Thank you girls so much for being a part of the hashtag notification gang, and thank you for your support. And if you want a shout out, then you know what to do. Alright, so the first product that I have here is one that I haven't used in a while, but I find myself continuing to go back to it. So I'll put it down for a few months, pick it back up, put it down for a few months, pick it back up, and when I do that, I know the love is real. So this is the Anasazi Glow Kit. This is the one in Sun Dipped, but I think depending on your skin tone, any of the glow kits, they're all such amazing quality, and I think for the price it's amazing as well, because you get 4 different shades of highlighters in this glow kit, and I think this is one of her original ones if I'm not mistaken, but I continuously go back to this one. I think I have 4 or 5 of them, and I keep going back to this one right here. The shade Tourmaline is my absolute favorite because it's just so beautiful, but all of the colors are super pigmented, they're super soft, and they just blend out phenomenally. So I absolutely love these glow kits, and another good thing about them is that all of the pans, ooh, I just dipped my finger. Okay, I don't want to do it because I'm going to mess up my nail, but all of the pans come out. So if you see this little groove right here, you can pop that out and actually travel with it. So these are amazing. You can make your own little palettes with all of your glow kits. You can pop these out and put them in a palette for your favorite shades. That's absolutely great for travel. So love these glow kits. If you have not tried one, go ahead to Ulta or Sephora and pick one up because I think they're definitely worth your coin. The next product that I have is one that I'm sure you guys have heard, but I need to reiterate it, and it is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This foundation is like glue for the face. Like glue for the face, and there's only a few foundations that I'll say that about. This is definitely one of them. When you put it on, it's not going anywhere. I don't care how long your day is, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 hours, this foundation is not going anywhere. This is the foundation that I use when I know it is going to be a hell of a long day or night, and I want to still look absolutely flawless at the end of the night. Not only flawless, but also matte, because this foundation is also very, very matte. But even though it's very matte, I've heard people with dry skin say they love this too. So, I mean, I would definitely pick this up and give it a try. And it's on the high-end side, but it's really not that bad. It's $34. So I don't think that's that bad of a price for a high-end foundation. Obviously, there are ones way, way more expensive than this. So I would definitely give it a try if you have not, and if you're looking for a good long-wearing foundation. Next, I'm going to go with the brows. This is another one that I know you guys know about, the Anasazi Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. This is one of those things where if you want bulletproof brows that just are not gonna move throughout the day, this is what you want. Pencils sometimes slip and slide for me, but pomades usually do a really great job, and this is one of the best. The best. I'm actually wearing it on my brows today. My husband's actually waiting on me. He's looking at me right now because we have to leave in about 5 minutes to go to the movies. We're going on date night, but I wanted to film this video real quick, and I definitely use this brow product and I love it. I have mine in the shade dark brown. They have about 5 or 6 shades, I think. This is my second pot, and I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. Keeps your brows on all day. Your brows will not move throughout the day or night, and I just think it's a really great product. The fourth product that I have here is the MAC Fix Plus powder, and this powder is super full coverage. So you can use this powder alone, or you can use it on top of a foundation. I usually use it on top of foundations. I don't really wear powder foundations, but your foundation can get a little heavy with this. So if you don't like heavy makeup, you might not like this powder, but this powder definitely keeps me matte. And it's just a really nice powder. If you like powder foundations, this is a great one because it's full coverage. You don't have to have the fuss of a liquid foundation, and it just goes on very nice and smooth. So I love this powder. Obviously it's MAC Cosmetics, so you pick it up anywhere MAC is sold, and it blends out so well also. So kudos. This is like a fan favorite from years and years and years ago. It's definitely not a new product, but something that I think I will always have in my makeup collection. Last but not least, this is actually a newer product, and it's the NARS Soft Matte Complete Coverage Concealer. This has quickly become one of my favorite potted concealers. I think it's only been out for about a year now, and like I said, quickly become one of my favorite potted concealers because of how lightweight it is. You can literally use this underneath the eyes, and I would never ever advise to use a concealer like this underneath the eyes, a potted concealer. You can use this concealer underneath the eyes and it blends out effortlessly, and it's super lightweight, doesn't get cakey, it doesn't crease. It is amazing. It's great for blemishes because it's full coverage. I mean, this is some good ass industrial strength but lightweight concealer, and I think that's what makes it different from all the other potted concealers out there. Alright guys, so that is it. Those are my top 5 high-end must-have products. If you guys want to see a part 2 of this, then let me know and I can do that. Also, like I said, if you want to see me do a drugstore version, I can do that also. Again, don't forget to subscribe, click that like button, and comment down below. And don't forget to follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I will talk to you in the next video.